an assassin or like a mage, maybe. What do you think he
Warwick?
is? Yeah.
You're a big wolf. You like run up and claw people in the face.
Oh, he's an assassin?
Like a old dude. Assassin would be like, man,
Or Zed?
Zed the Ned.
Zed's kind of like an assault, too. I bet he's kind of like a mix. My dude kind of looks like a magic.
On Snowmadinger. This is crazy, man.
He finally got to 100%.
Here we go. You're a big bad wolf.
Don't worry.
Will anyone tell you differently?
Police. Wait, are you? Where there's treasure, there's glory. And where there's glory, girls
Alright,
are
I'm following
All right,
you.
go to the bottom. Bottom.
30 seconds until minions spawn.
Ezreal.
When you've got talent, there's no such thing as a lucky shot.
Oh, we're fighting a cheetah.
Oh.
Don't attack him. What are you doing, son? Yes, you do this every time. Run away. Oh my gosh. You are literally the worst ever.
Sorry, I'm not used to this guy.
Well, you should know you don't run into a tower all by your lonesome at the very beginning.
So.
With you.
Wait, are you dead?
No,
You're
I'm fully healthed. The best League of Legender ever.
There's some minions coming with us.
True explorers
Yeah, that's
follow
what
the
you
compass
should
in
wait
their
for.
heart.
True people follow their heart. Oh.
Time for a true display of skill.
Get him. Yes.
Got him.
And Ezreal is victorious!
My guy does a lot of damage.
No plan survives
There's a guy
first
up there.
contact with me.
Yep. Let's hit the tower a couple of times and then run out. Alright, run away.
There's some more minions.
Big shot. Sonney, when you're that hurt, don't charge in.
Sorry. You almost got him though. So
I'm almost dead.
there's some more minions coming though. He doesn't destroy the tower.
Don't attempt anything glorious. Gauntlets for show. Talent's on me.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Oh, jeez. Things are.
Hey, way to protect me, son. Alright, I'm on my way back. Pull back, son. Pull back.
All right.
Oh, actually go. Skid him. Skidder. There you go. Nice.
I hate the word steal.
Look at you.
Liberate or
Growing up.
I almost killed 2 people.
Wolf. Whoa.
If I don't know the
Oh my goodness, I'm a level 5.
Hey, only level 3.
Guy levels up fast. I just killed like 1 minion and leveled up.
Back up, back up, back up, back up.
Ugh. Oh, I got caught.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'll try to stay back.
Just go all the way back and heal up
What if they destroy our castle?
and destroy it.
What happened to our team? They're doing nothing.
Nice. You can send the bill to my.
A lot of us are late game players.
Has been slain.
We're still doing good. It's only 4 to 5.
Ooh, I can get some good stuff.
If you hit B, Sonney, it teleports you back.
I know.
So why'd you run all the way
I'll
back?
unearth the secrets of the past and sell them to the highest bidder.
Because I was
Does that make me a
close.
criminal?
I see.
Don't answer.
Right, I'm okay. Are you going down to the bottom? Yes, yeah. Oh, Ezreal does a lot of damage. A lot.
Need to level up.
Exploration runs in my family.
Goodness.
I'll stay back and defend the tower. This tower's almost dead.
Golly.
Die, you stupid plant.
Well,
Oh my goodness.
at least I got her.
Watch and learn.
Holy smokes!
It's the
Like a
stupid plant.
one hit kill. It's crazy.
It's the stupid plant.
Hadn't said.
Israel doesn't have that much health.
Who needs a
They're like
map?
one-shotting you.
Just call me out, Sonny. Like I'm not pro or something. Oh, you should have kept going. You almost had him.
I almost did, but I'm low.
Well, then you use that special ability you have that heals you.
Don't know what that
Explorers follow
is.
the compass
But we'll
and
figure that out, son. All right, hit B and go back. Buy some new stuff. And that cheetah lady, man.
Just stick together. That's what you want to do.
I hate the word steal. I prefer liberate or procure.
How did I get over there?
Way to stick together, son.
I just shot forward.
God gets this.
Keep going.
got him.
Nice. Yeah, you chase him down. What is that thing? It's Koopa Troopa.
Sure, Eamon. Always thinking I appropriated their cultural
What you got? Oh, he's got like a shield.
Back up, Sonny, back up.
Oh, she just blasted me. Bad. I'm carrying you, Daddy.
And I'm dead.
Yeah, I almost killed Koopa Troopa though, so.
We don't need almost kill, we need kill.
Well, there was two of them. I could have killed Koopa Troopa.
And everyone's level 8 but me.
I'm a level 8.
Yeah, I'm not. Oh, we got the good snowman. Pretty good.
The dude who uses those internet tower things that you were talking
Never gives up.
Got towers.
about. Oh, he's level 9. Koopa Troopa. Got him.
Nice.
But I'm really low.
Got for Cheetah Lady.
Nice.
Got Koopa Troopa.
Koopa Troopa, come here.
He's got like a crazy shield. Kamehameha.
I got him.
No clan survives first
Yeah, buddy.
contact
I
with me.
killed Koopa Troopa a lot.
Taking out Koopa Troopa. Nice. You Sonny boy, coming professional.
Warwick is way better than that Zed dude. He does a lot more damage.
Yeah,
And he heals when he kills minions.
that's always good to have. All right, after we take this tower out, I'm gonna go back and buy some more stuff.
Just don't make double traps like they used to.
I'm out.
Oh, Koopa Troopa.
Not Koopa Troopa.
Should I take Koopa Troopa out?
Yep. Or me.
Hey, I helped you. Alright, here, I'm going back.
All right, take out Fire Lady.
Oh my goodness, I do a lot. I attack fast now.
Wow, thanks for helping, son. Jeez. Now you got her. Good job.
An enemy has been slain.
A son of me has been slain.
I'm unstoppable.
Doing good. 7 and 3.
Greatly exaggerated.
Let her hit you with her that attack. Okay, now get her, get her, get her. Go.
Just jumped on her.
Gauntlets for show. Talent's all me.
I am master with the Warwick. He's got like ranged attacks. He's like the best guy I've ever seen. He's like an all-rounder.
Time to show 'em who's best.
Should I just wait for you to get here or go in?
Go in. Like right behind you.
There's a purple lady. The fire lady. Oh no.
What are you doing, boy?
I don't know.
Sounds dangerous. I'm in.
I got killed, but I'm godlike.
Died?
Yeah. I got someone though.
If no one tells you something
Good,
impossible,
good.
then it's still possible. So that wasn't a world haircut.
The rest of our team's in there. Alright.
Oh,
If I don't know the rules, then how can I be breaking?
Whoa, I'm super fast now.
good. Back super
Crap.
fast.
I'm like, shooting down the field. You're not the only one.
Last time I was in Shurima, I decoded some glyphs. Something about Jackalhead, End of Times. I just wanted this ruby scarab. It looks great on my mantle.
Oh, that dude can take some hits. Oh,
I'm allergic.
Oh, they're all making their way.
He's open to new ideas. My new ideas.
Ally has been slain.
Everyone's there.
oh.
They're all trying to come this way.
Run away. Oh,
An enemy has been
I
slain.
rarely know what I'm looking for, but I always find it.
Wow, this Warwick dude is like going crazy.
Legendary.
Breaking a sweat.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
inhibitor. It's Humberdinger. Humberdinger. Woo!
That was crazy.
That was pretty good.
I love this Warwick dude. He's the best I've ever seen.
Did pretty good with him.
You should try him out. He's got like the best moves.